We're out harvesting carrots today. We tend to put up a few carrots every year and put them in jars. We don't eat a lot of carrots. The reason we grow so many carrots is we tend to juice more carrots than we eat. So that's why we grow a lot of carrots. If you see the bottom of this bed, this is all wood chips up halfway, then we top the rest of it up with a sandy soil so we can get a nice long carrots.
Go ahead.
I don't know what I was saying.
Maya, go grab it all the way at the bottom and then pull the carrots out. You were talking about we grow the carrots and juice the carrots and...
Yeah, we tend to juice more carrots than we eat. So that's why we have a bed full of carrots, but we're only going to end up we plan on only canning about 20 pint jars. And we typically use our carrots in stews and stuff like that. We don't eat just meals with carrots as a side dish. Maya's having a rough time pulling carrots.
Let me see your carrot, Maya.
Get that on film.
Yeah. Hold it still. My goodness. Yeah. Let's see the other carrot you pulled out. Yeah, that looks like a chicken laying there.